What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to provide you with a list of tools and resources that we're going to be utilizing in this course. So there are four main tools. The first one is OpenAI.com, the second one is ChatGPT, the third one is DALL-E, and the fourth one is Leonardo AI. So for those of you who don't know this, ChatGPT and DALL-E, so those two are products of OpenAI. So you need to create your account on OpenAI first before accessing ChatGPT and DALL-E, right? And DALL-E is basically text to image generator, just the same thing like Midjourney, and Leonardo AI is also the same text to image generator, right? So yeah, so these are like four main tools, and the rest are supporting tools. So we also have Agent GPT, which is our autonomous AI agent, and we have Hugging Face, product as post, Flow GPT, Fusion AI, and Cookup AI. So all these things are AI prompt generator, right? So let's talk about the first one, OpenAI. So I'm just gonna click on it. It will take me here. As you guys can see, welcome to OpenAI. So if you go to product, OpenAI has several different products here. ChatGPT is one of them. They also have GPT-4, DALL-E, which is text to image generator. All right, so you need to create your account here. You need to create your account on OpenAI before accessing ChatGPT and DALL-E, and it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and it's completely free. All right, all you need to do is just to click sign up here. And the good news here, OpenAI has been fully integrated with Google, so I'm pretty sure like vast majority of you guys have your Gmail account. So all you need to do is just to sign up using your Gmail, and that's it. All right, so I'm just gonna close this tab. Let's go to the second tool, which is ChatGPT. As you guys can see, this is ChatGPT. This is basically AI chatbot where you can ask any questions, and ChatGPT is going to answer your questions with human-like answers, right? So yeah, obviously this is like the main tool that we're going to be utilizing in this course, since we're going to be concentrating mostly on ChatGPT prompts, right? And the third one here is DALL-E. All right, so DALL-E is basically text to image generator. As you guys can see here, you can create your account for completely free on OpenAI, and you get up to 50 credits. So it means you're able to generate up to 50 images using DALL-E for free, right? And we also have Leonardo AI, so I'm just gonna click on it. This is very similar to DALL-E or Midjourney, text to image generator. And yeah, it's going to be free, right? You don't need to spend any money here. Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits every single day, so you can generate up to 150 images per day for completely free. All right, and the next one here is agentgpt.rework.ai. So this is basically AI autonomous agent. This is like one of the latest AI technology. As a matter of fact, Agent GPT is even newer compared to ChatGPT. All right, so you might be wondering like what we're going to use this for. Well, this is going to be your AI assistant to help you generating high quality and effective prompts. As you guys can see here, there are like several different options. Actually, not only limited to these three, but these three are just like examples. So the first one here is platform GPT, write some code to make a platformer game. So you can ask Agent GPT to write you code. You can ask ChatGPT to plan a detailed trip, or maybe ask Agent GPT to do research for you, right? But this time we're going to utilize this autonomous AI to generate us prompt, high quality prompt, obviously. Right? And you might be wondering, then what's the difference between ChatGPT and Agent GPT? Well, ChatGPT is the chatbot where you can ask any questions, and ChatGPT is going to answer your questions. But Agent GPT is not chatbot. Agent GPT is basically like AI assistants, or usually call it as like your own staff, right? So you can assign Agent GPT to a particular task, particular role, and Agent GPT, without having your supervision, is able to operate autonomously, which is great, right? all you need to do is just to give a name to this agent and also set the goal. Maybe, hey, generate me a prompt for marketing or for copywriting, whatever, and then click generate. All right, and that's it. Wait, and Agent GPT is going to gather all information, gather all data, and provide you with very meaningful insights. All right, so we're going to utilize this in this course. And the next one here is huggingface.co. I'm going to open all this prompt generator, right? So the second one is product.aspos. The third one is FlowGPT. Most of them are pretty much the same, you know. I just like to provide you with like many different options. So if you don't like one of them, then you might still have other options to choose. All right, so let's get to the first one, which is Hugging Face. So the only thing that you need to do here is to type in the basic prompt and then click submit, and Hugging Face is going to generate you like more complex prompt, right? So as you guys can read here, this app generates ChatGPT prompt. It is based on BERT model trained on this dataset, so you can even see the dataset of this platform. Simply enter personal that you want the prompt to be generated based on, right? So you can choose like the kind of like the character here, right? So yeah, if you have time, you might want to take a look at the dataset if you're curious about the dataset. All right, and the second one here is Aspos. So here is the URL, products.aspos.app. If you don't know how to get there, just click on this link. All right, so it's extremely similar to the previous one, Hugging Face. All you need to do is just to type in the basic prompt here and also select like your intentions. Maybe you want to create ChatGPT prompt, then click on this. You want to generate essay, and then click this. Or you might want to ask questions about health, then click doctor. You might want to get answers regarding to accounting, then click accountant. So just select the relevant topics, right? So yeah, there are like many different topics available here. All right, so let's close this tab and let me go to FlowGPT. All right, so this is another tool. This is another prompt generator. As you guys can see here, there are like many different topics available down here. So you can select the one that is relevant to you. But if you don't find anyone that is relevant to like your topic, that you might want to write down here and see if there is any. Right, so the way it works is also going to be very similar to the previous two. Just write the like basic prompt here and then click generate, and that's it. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna close this. Let's move on to the next one here, Fusion AI. As you guys can see, the way it works also kind of the same like the previous one. The only thing that you need to do here is to type in the basic prompt and then click generate prompt. Let me give you an example. Marketing campaign, that's just gonna be an example here, and then click generate prompt. So now it is generating the prompt for us, and look at this, write a 500 essay explaining the key components of a successful marketing campaign, including target audience, budget. So you can utilize this tool to generate like more complex prompt from a very basic prompt like this. All right, and the last one here is cookup.ai. As you guys can see, right now we are on cookup.ai. The way it works also very similar to the previous tools. All we need to do is to select the topic that is relevant to our questions. For example, you have a question related to programming, just like programming, right? And as you guys can see, there are like many different topics related to programming. You can select the one that is most suitable with your topic, that is most relevant with your topic, right? So there are like many different options here. Okay, so that's all, guys. I'm just gonna close this tab. That's all. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to introduce you to the concept of prompt engineering. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.